Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pam. I'm from Pamela's Creations, and I'm here today to open some Happy Mail I got from Kim's Inspired Life. I will link her channel down below in the description box, and this was totally unexpected. I wasn't expecting anything from her, and I'm super excited to see what she sent. Wow, I'm excited. She makes such pretty things. Make sure I got everything out of there. And then this says here, keep growing. Isn't that cute? So I want to see if a card first. Oh, so this says fresh cut flowers, scented sachet. And she made this beautiful topper with a rosette and a heart and a flower. That is so pretty. Look at that. And it smells so, so good. Thank you. Let's see if there's a card. Oh, there is. Hey there. Oh, thank you. So this is a blank card she made, and it says, just a little something to say congrats on 2 years on YouTube, LOL. You have an amazing channel, and I enjoy your creativity and joyful personality. Aw, sending crafty hugs, Kimberly at Kim's Inspired Life. That is so sweet. Look at this beautiful card. So she added sequences here. It says, hey there, and it looks like it's popped up, and it has popsicles, a watermelon, and I hope she stamped the back. Let's see, it's a blank card. She did good. So it was that way you can send it to somebody. And I like how when creators stamp the back so they know who made them, because if I send a blank, I send a card out that someone's already made, I usually put created by on the card so they know it wasn't created by me. But isn't that beautiful? I love that. And look at the string there. Isn't that cute? That's beautiful, Kim. Thank you. And I think she made this envelope too. Isn't that beautiful? That's so pretty. And look at this sack. This is adorable. This is Alice in Wonderland sack. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, thank you. Oh, I'm excited. First of all, I want to read this. He alone is my rock and my salvation. He is my fortress. I will never be shaken. Aw. Psalm 62:2. Today's prayer, and I love these. I absolutely love these. They're my favorite. I want to make some point make a prayer journal. Okay, so let's admire this real quick here. Look at this. She made this. And it has the things on the bottom, and then there's the beads. Oh my gosh, how adorable is that? And let's slide this off. Is this an ATC card? Oh no. Let's see here. Oh, it is. It is. So here's Life is Sweet. That's cute. She must have what do we call that? Laminated it. And look at this. This is so cute. The best is yet to be. Amen to that. Look at that. The heart. The scallop punch. The ladies in the bathing suits. Enamel dots. Let's see here. And it says hello. and Kimberly Cochran. And her YouTube channel is Kim's Inspired Life. And her Instagram is Kim and Rolly. She is born November 27th. Favorite colors are black, white, and red. Craft style, practical and cheerful. And loves pocket letters. Let's see here. Envelopes and coffee. Love pockets. Tape is. Love pockets, envelopes, and coffee. Isn't that beautiful? I love ATC cards. They're just so beautiful. I love getting these things from people. Okay. I love this sack. This is so adorable. And I love this little cross and this beautiful bead. Let's see, what does this say? I can only imagine, I can only please one person a day. Today is not your day. Tomorrow doesn't look like it could either. 75 sticky notes. Oh my gosh, how cute. It's sticky notes. Thanks to my family and friends for allowing me to share these old memories. Oh, how nice. This is gonna be fun. Thank you. Oh my gosh, this was such a surprise. It made my morning. Thank you so very much, Kim. I want to send you an ATC card, girl. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. This is absolutely lovely. This was a nice surprise. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. And the bag topper is beautiful. So I'm going to slowly take that off so I have it so it doesn't. And I'll put this in my drawer. How sweet. Thank you. Please go check out Kim's Inspired Life. She is oh my gosh, she's talented. She is good at what she does. So please go check her out and show her some crafty love. And I'm going to be getting off here. So you all take care and stay safe. And as always, God bless.